To fit the winch kit, first of all put the line on the winch. I'm just using a short piece as an example. The long bolt that holds the spool on, just take that one off here. Slide that out. Slide this bolt that we supply with the kit onto the rail there and slide him straight down onto there. You'll find that this part will sit in the rail on this side, and then just tighten that up there. And you can sort of slide, you can have that where you want it to go. Obviously the winch handle will go across there. We give you a couple of slide nuts, so one goes here and one goes here, and this cap head screw goes here. So with the winch eyes, you put that down in there, and get him going in nicely. And again, you can slide that where you want it to go, depending on where you want the line to go. The magnet just goes on here. And again, you can slide it up and down. And this is the other winch eye. So the line, when you come to use it, will come through that one. This is the end anchor. This will go onto the end of the log. So if you imagine that going round the end of the log, that holds position there, and then you just clip that using this little carabiner back onto this other side here, and that's your winch kit fitted. When that's out of use, that then just snaps onto there so you don't lose it. So when you get to the end of the log, you can take this off the end of the log, and then just put it on the magnet there. Okay.